What new real estate agents need to do at the beginning. Are you a new real estate agent and you don't know what to do in the beginning when getting started in real estate? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 specific things on what new real estate agents need to do in the beginning so you can have a system and a structure in place to know what to do on a daily basis. This way, you'll be a lot more efficient and effective with your time. Hello, my name is John Toublaris. I'm an award-winning author, international speaker, and a real estate sales and mindset coach here in Toronto, Canada with eXp Realty, helping agents just like yourself to increase your sales. Before I go ahead and share with you these 6 specific things on what new real estate agents need to do at the beginning, I would appreciate if you could just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you can receive more valuable videos to help you with your real estate business. So point number 1, get clear on your purpose, on your why. This is so important because this is the fuel, the engine that's gonna drive you in your real estate business. So what I suggest is you take out a pen, a paper right now, and you start to write out all the things that you want to accomplish in the next 6 to 12 months. Not anything further, because the further it is, the lower your motivation goes. The closer it is, the higher your motivation goes. So therefore, I would write all the things that are worthwhile to you, that are meaningful to you. So go ahead, start writing down. I'll take a few minutes and you want to just jot down all the things. So the next thing you want to do is, as you just wrote down all the things that are meaningful and worthwhile to you, is that you want to select which are the ones that are your top 3 most meaningful and worthwhile for you. For example, is it you want to sell 10 homes this year, 20 homes this year? You want to earn 200,000, 300,000, 150,000, 100,000 your first year? What are those? So get really crystal clear on what it is. And then what I would also do is, when you write those 3 goals down, is I would create a vision board out of that so you can have it right in front of you, and so you know what to do and you can see it and it's present for you every single day. Point number 2, get clear on your business plan. Complete your business plan and set up your 3 money sources. This is really important because as a brand new real estate agent, you want to know where you are today and where is it that you want to go. So therefore, you want to write a business plan and have your 3 money sources in place. So what do I mean by this? Number 1, your money source is always your past clients and center influence. Now, I understand you may not have past clients right now because you're just getting started as a new agent. However, do write out have your center influence, which I'm going to share with you a little bit later on. Point number 2 on that is that you want to have your 2nd and your 3rd sources. So for example, you may want to talk to for sale by owners or door knocking or online lead generation, which is a huge thing these days. There's 56 ways you can generate business in real estate. So when you have your business plan completed, you'll know exactly where you are and where you want to go, because clarity is power. Now, if you want a free copy of a business plan, just please reach out to me, contact me. My information's down below, and I'll be more than happy to send you a free business plan so you can write out and you can have that with you. Point number 3 is write out your database. This is so important as a brand new real estate agent, because what I see, one of the biggest mistakes that agents make is they go around running around with strangers and different people they don't know, and they'll always get frustrated. They come back to me and say, John, why is this happening to me? Well, I always say, you know what? Why don't you start off writing out your database? Write out the people that you know, your electricians, plumbers, former colleagues, friends, family, etc., etc. I would write up a list of up to 100 names and phone numbers. Now, you can look in your phone book for that. You can look in on your social media, etc. However, get to 100 names and numbers as quickly as possible. Now, I've had some brand new agents I've been coaching that are earning 150, 200, 250, even 350,000 in their first year just by this one strategy I gave them right here to do. And some agents actually create up to 150, 200 names and 300 names in their database, and that's what I have them to start with right away. So they start calling, and of course I teach them all the scripts and all the dialogues on what it is. And besides, in our mastermind group here at eXp, what I've created for our group is each and every single week I teach the agents on what to say and how to say it so that you can have success and you can generate business every single day. You can generate the referrals that you're looking for. Point number 4 is, please create a morning schedule. This is so important. Rather than wasting time and just running around the day, then all of a sudden you're like, well, where did my day go? One of the things you can increase your productivity is creating a morning schedule. Now, the morning schedule starts from the night before. I know you were talking about the morning, here I am talking about the night. Well, yeah, so what you want to do is collect your thoughts from the night before, see what you want to plan for the next day. What is your plan? Okay, what time are you waking up? What time do you start making calls? What are you doing the next day? So I always recommend have income producing activities completed in the morning, and then if there's things like, surfing on Facebook or putting a lockbox on or a brochure, leave that for the afternoon time, because the morning time is money time and the afternoon is service time or all the other stuff. So remember that your morning time, that's when you have the energy. In fact, I'm creating this video in the morning because I have, that's when the energy is high. That's when you're still, you're enthusiastic, your energy's up. So create your morning schedule. Now, what takes place in the morning schedule? Well, here's some of the things is you want to review the goals. Remember I talked to you about your business plan. So review your business plan. You may even have a monthly plan or even a weekly plan. So make sure you have strong, clear objectives on what it is that you're shooting for, okay? The next thing is you may want to go to the gym, work out, motion is emotion. So the thing is that when you work out, you feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself, you're speaking to people, you're speaking to clients, you're in state, you have so much more energy. The other thing I've seen a lot of my clients do is they tend to meditate. Not only do they meditate, they actually go, working out, jogging, moving their body, whatever it is. And then after that, they do a little bit of role playing. They do some scripts, some dialogues with fellow agents. And then after that, they start making calls in the 3 sources that I mentioned to you earlier when creating your business plan. So remember to create a morning schedule. Now, if you'd like a copy of a morning schedule, like a template, reach out to me with my contact below, and I'll make sure I'll give you a morning schedule that you can just copy it. And of course, you can just plug in your own stuff in there, and then you can use it right away. Point number 5 is set up your social media. As a brand new real estate agent, you want to be seen. This is so important to have it set up. So what are you going to set up? You're going to set up your Facebook page. Now you have your personal page, but I would also recommend that you set up a business page. So, for example, John Toublaris Real Estate, Joe Smith Real Estate, something really simple. Let's set that up. Put a professional photo of you. Go take some professional headshots. It is well worth it. Take all the photos down of your party days or anything like that. Take those all down, because clients are actually watching what you're posting online. So make sure you get your Instagram set up, your TikTok, your YouTube channel, whatever it is, set it all up. So that way you have a nice platform where people are, if they're looking for you, you're going to be on social media. And that's a great way you can post your listings, let your friends know the listings that you have, the properties that you've sold, and you can also provide to them value, just like I'm providing value to right now through social media, through the online platform of YouTube. Point number 6 is join a mastermind group. This is so important. If you're a brand new agent watching this, which I'm sure you are, join a mastermind group. Here at EXP, we have an amazing mastermind group that I've put together many years ago after joining here, and every single week, at least 2-3 hours a week, we get together via Zoom. And of course, we have so many other stuff happening throughout the year as well, like pool parties and get-togethers and Christmas parties and so many other things. But the mastermind group, you will feel you are part of a community. And when you feel you're part of the community, you're not going to feel alone. I've been in business over 17 years, and the thing is now that, I've discovered a long time ago that it can be a very lonely business. So if you don't want to feel lonely, you want to be part of a community where you're collaborating, you're masterminding, you're, sharing ideas, brainstorming ideas, you're sharing the wins, the challenges, all those things, is join a mastermind. Find a group, find someone that, like a coach and mentor, and say, hey, you know what? I'm looking for a mastermind group. Where can I be a great fit? And you'll be pointed in that direction, and that way you feel connected and collaborate in a community, and you'll learn a lot from those that have actually been there and done that, so you can avoid the mistakes and you can actually run with your business plan that you now have, and you can have a great, successful year. So these are the 6 specific things I want new real estate agents need to do in the beginning to have success. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more, please click on these videos here to your right. Again, my name is John Toublaris, your real estate sales and mindset coach here at EXP Realty in Toronto, Canada. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.